Hi there, my name is Jack Damon. I'm a product manager at Viam, and I'm excited to show you a demonstration of the teleoperation workspace that we've recently released on the platform that lets you visualize data from and also control your machines. So you can see the interface here on my screen. I'm going to get started by selecting the machine I know I want to create an interface for. So that is this machine here, Fleet Rover 1, which is a rover in our office. So I'm going to select that machine, and now I'm going to go to the edit mode to begin configuring my workspace. You can see this add widget button, which is what I'm going to click, and you have 5 options of widgets to create here. There's an actuation widget, which lets you operate actuating components on your machine, a camera screen widget, a GPS map, a stat, and a time series widget. These 4 are all data visualization widgets, and this is a actuation controlling widget. So before we get involved in actuation, I want to add some visualization widgets so we can see what's happening on our machine before we control it. So I'm going to add a camera stream. I'm going to add one of each type and then configure each. So I'm going to add a GPS map. I'll add a stat to demonstrate this widget and a time series as well. And then you can see the default tiling that occurs here, and I can go and reconfigure this. So yeah, I want to make it like that. Great, and now everything has some space, and let's get to configuring these widgets. So we need to put in a resource name. I know the camera on our machine is called cam, so I'm going to put that in there. Here you can configure whether you want a live refresh type or polling on a specified interval. I'm going to stick with live for now. And then that's all good to go there. For the stat widget, we choose the sensor name we want to interface with. So there's a fake sensor on my machine called everything that lets us generate lots of different data points to demonstrate. So I'm going to refer to that, and then there's a noise field on everything that I will pipe that out from. There's no units for noise. The widget title, say my noise readings. Cool, that's our second one configured. Now for the time series visualization, again we will choose our everything sensor to demonstrate. This is how far backwards you want. So the time series widget is shows a configured value on a line chart over time, and this controls here how far backwards you want the time range to go from the present moment. So it's currently configured to 1 hour. We can make this 10 hours right there. This will be my noise over time. The name of this line will be noise. No units. I'm not going to choose a windowing method right now. I can actually just to demonstrate one. Within every 5 seconds of readings, we can choose to average our data. The path is going to be noise. That's great. And finally, our GPS. The sensor here is going to be called Globetrotter. And a refresh rate of 1 per second, that's cool. I will accept showing historical positions, and similarly to this configuration here, we choose a time range going backwards. 300 minutes, 5 hours is cool. All right, those all look good and configured. Let's switch to the monitor state and see how this appears on our workspace. And exactly what we expected to see. So you get a live camera feed here of the rover within kind of like a wooden pen we have at Viam. Our time series chart is showing a single chosen configured value over time. This is our noise variable. And our noise readings are also coming through here. And finally, we have the interactive GPS view showing also our 300-minute configured historical positions. That's pretty fast in 300 minutes, but this is fake data. All right, so the final thing I want to demonstrate then is the actuation widget. So to add another widget, we can go hit edit, add a widget, actuation. I'm actually going to get rid of our stat reading for now, just because we don't need it. I want to create more room for the actuation. There is a base component, was a component type on Viam. On our machine Fleet Rover 1 we're interfaced into, so I will select that. The method, I'm going to choose quick move, and then the actuating component name is called Viam_base on this machine. All right, if we go back to the monitoring state, my camera's here, and you can see the quick move control interface here. I can toggle for keyboard control, and now I'm going to go ahead and hold down S on my keyboard and try to drive around. And you can see the camera view update there accordingly. That's great. All right, thank you for watching. This has been a quick demonstration of our new teleoperation workspace product on Viam. You can use this product to configure your own data visualization interfaces or machine control interfaces, or a mix of both. We're really excited to see what everyone builds using this. Thanks for watching.